Nature's Garden Bayberry Fragrance is a perfect blend of fir, balsam, and a delicate spicy undertone of nutmeg and ginger. Not only is this my favorite fragrance here at Nature's Garden, it's also a bestseller. Our customers make exciting products with this fragrance, including amazing decorative candles, beautiful handmade soaps, refreshing and invigorating bath and body products, and room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.